Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create your own keygen using Microsoft Visual Basic 2008 Express Edition. Uh, Open, click on open project. Oh my god, sorry. Click on create project. Choose Windows Form application. Name it as, for example, I name it as keygen 1. Click OK. So this is your forum application. Let's resize it. Click on toolbox. Click on button. This will be your generate button to generate your keys. So rename this text as generate. So here you go. This is a generate button. Excuse me. Go to toolbox. Scroll down and look for your text box. Excuse me. Sorry for my cough and cold. Okay. Can even so as a keygen should never has a maximize and minimize button. Scroll up. Below main menu strip, none. Maximize box is set as true and make it to false. Minimize box as true, make it to false. So when you see while somebody is downloading your keygen, they'll see this as a form 1 and they will know you have created this keygen using Microsoft Visual Basic 2008 or odd edition you ever do. And they'll just think it's a fake content or virus or scam. So just rename the text to Micros keygen 1. So now it has been renamed. Can even give some background if color. Scroll up and check for back color. Click on this arrow, go to custom. In this case I will choose a silvery white color. So here you go. This is my background forum color. Let's go to toolbox. You can even add any images to as look as your keygen or any keygen. In this case I'll give some Microsoft image. Choose image, go to local resources, click import, choose your image in which directory you have saved, click OK. So I'll resize it so that my Microsoft image would be more bigger more bigger and more visual to anybody who's downloading my keygen. So now bright white red color with office and trademark. There's the generate key. So as a double click generate. As a YouTube user or YouTube anonymous browsers, just copy this code from the description. For torrent uploaders, or for example just say Kickcast torrents or kickcast.to, just copy this code from the text box which I have been provided in the folder. Just in case here is star followed by 5, so the 5 case for 5 serials, I'll just make it to 3. So I click on random so that our video will become more efficient for you to understand. So okay, close this tab. Now resize this image again. Okay, this now looks pretty cool. So okay, just go to file, save all, choose location as browse, click on browse desktop. In this case I have chosen desktop to open quickly. Select folder, click on save. Just go to your directory, or just go to your directory and open the folder in name, in what name you have been created your keygen. Just open this folder again, go to bin, go to debug, okay. So mine is not appearing like this, instead you will get something like this in your debug. So I'll just rename this to keygen 1. So now as you open this, so now it has been created. Click on the generate button. So here is your keygen, you have been created successfully. But while your content has been downloaded, some image, some icon like this will appear, and the PS or local PS who download this file, I mean your keygen, will think this is a fake, and this they will delete it. Just I have even provided you a software named Resource Hacker in the description for YouTube users, and for Kickass I have even given this video with the file, with the folder. So go for open after using software, installing open using Resource Hacker. After installing Resource Hacker, right click on this icon, but make sure on the bin button you just bin debug. You have to copy this type of file, which is like this. Just copy and paste it in your desktop. So now open this with Resource Hacker, make your own icon to appear. Just hold on a second. So click on this icon 0, icon 2, icon 0. Again something like a small cartoon or settings, I don't know, whatever this is. Click on 0, right click on 0, replace resource, open with file, new icon. Search for any icon you have, just click open. So as you see, I have created Microsoft keygen. So I will give a simple image for Microsoft Office. So click on replace, click on replace, then go to file, save as. Sorry, go to file, save. So this have been saved right now. Just create your folder again, create a new folder, rename it as keygen 1. In this case I have already created a folder named as keygen, or you can just simply drag this on the recycle bin. Oh, so it doesn't work. Just copy this in your keygen folder. Let's open this. Wait for a sec. open this folder and you'll get something like this with your own icon. Just open this. So here you this is your keychain. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Goodbye from KM.